As a result, the network has obtained new information on the next chipset for the Samsung Galaxy smartphone, which may find its way into the Google Pixel smartphone. According to business analysts, the Exynos 2400 chipset, which is exclusive to Samsung, is responsible for the Galaxy S24 smartphone's exceptional performance and energy efficiency. Industry insiders predict that Google will be the customer for the next Pixel smartphones, since the South Korean company recently declared that the next-generation Exynos 2500 processor would serve as the basis for the smartphone of an American client in the second half of the year. Debugging the 3nm process technology used to produce the Exynos 2500 chipset has made substantial progress, according to media reports from earlier this month. But now, the defect rate is more than 80%, and fewer than 40% of flaws are required for effective mass manufacturing. Despite this, the South Korean company reassured stakeholders at the recent Samsung Foundry Forum that the 3nm process technology debugging is going according to plan. In the second half of this year, Samsung hopes to begin mass producing the Exynos 2500 chipset. In light of the partnership with Google, the company's new CPU is anticipated to serve as the basis for the next Galaxy S25 flagship smartphones. As the smartphone market remains extremely competitive, Samsung's efforts to improve its chipsets are part of a larger strategy to maintain a competitive advantage. Samsung has long collaborated with the American company with the Android ecosystem. If the future Pixel smartphones are indeed equipped with Exynos 2500 chipsets, it will mean a dependence on the chipset for the two companies and a mutual trust in Samsung technology. Samsung's efforts to improve its smartphone processors are crucial because consumers anticipate that each new generation of smartphone chipset will be more powerful and energy efficient. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU is said to be the next Galaxy S25 Ultra chip in earlier Sam Mobile rumors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.